Guys, if you're looking for a pavement princess, I got news for you. This ain't it. If you're looking for a work unit, something to help you get the job done at the ranch, this is it. Let's check it out. What's up guys, Nick here from Ranch Armor, here with my little buddy Remington. He's gonna help me explain what we did to Project Strata. It's a 2024 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT 1000. It is the new one, the big engine. We've done a few of these now. These are awesome machines, guys. They've always been great. Kawasaki's are amazing, amazing vehicles, very reliable. They've stood the test of time, but the new 1000s, they really stepped it up with the new engine, a lot more power. So this one is a work machine, okay? This is not a pavement princess behind us. This is a work vehicle, and I'm gonna show you exactly why that is. So starting off in the front, guys, just like all the big work machines, we do our full front replacement bumper, guys. And just like everything else here at Ranch Armor, this is designed to take abuse. End-to-end protection, corner to corner, top to bottom, all the way down below the skid plate. Protecting that front diff, the radiator, and those vital components, including the plastics over here that are so integral to this vehicle, the look and function of it. So this one has the headlight guards, which are optional. If you don't like it, you can get it with just the bull bar. We didn't put a winch on this one, but this one has the optional winch set up in the front, so it has a cabinet inside there that allows you to hold almost any winch on the market. Bolts in, simple access. Of course, you got your heavy-duty shackle mounts here, laser cut right here to the left of me. Everything you see here, laser cut and pressed, along with the hitch, and all of our hitches on the front bumpers and rear bumpers alike come with a built-in set bolt, so that way if you have a feeder, it doesn't teeter, doesn't vibrate. So a good marriage to this product here is our hood basket. And what's really cool is if you need to get up on top, fill feeder, put gear up there, if you have our bumper and our hood basket, it's really nice to go from the bumper, hood basket up to the top if need be. So hood baskets are quick release hood baskets, guys. What does that mean? It connects to the bull bar there, opens up, allows you to get to the hood, the radiator, things like that. So it makes it simple to work with, simple to work on your vehicle as well. But it's also fully compatible with the Fortress tip-out glass windshield from the Perry company, which we sell a lot of. We really enjoy their product, like it. They're a great American company, Texas-based up in Waco. Their powder coat matches ours almost exactly, so it's just another good, perfect marriage right there between this whole front end. Real clean. As far as the wheel tires and lift, guys, we use the Ranch Armor 1000, or Kawasaki Mule Pro 1000 lift kit. It is the first in the world, and to date of this video being shot, it is the only one in the world. Direct bolt-on. It's either got a level or a lift on both front and back. So you got two adjustment points. And with our lift, you can do 29-inch tires. These are Moto Claws we did here, and they are 29s. They're close, but they don't rub. Along with the 15-inch MSA wheels, black on black, just kept it clean, simple, and friendly in terms of the work environment it's gonna be most likely going in. You good there, Remy? All right, let's tell them about the inside here in a minute, okay, buddy? So we did the Nerf bars and the side steps, guys. Those are some of our most popular items across all makes and models because these plastics are not designed to take abuse. You hit one rock, one log, one anything, it's done. These right here are like skis for abuse. Ski across any surface, anything you want to do, they're there to protect you. Have a little too much drinks one night, hit a rut, guess what? Your bottom end's not finished. We got your back here with this armor, okay? Inside and under. Actually, we'll start on top, I'm sorry. Premium extended package 4 Elusive Wildlife top. It's got every option our steel top offers. So it's got the extension here, extra shade. It's a beautiful sunny day here in South Texas at our facility. And what this is really good to show an example of is if you didn't have a windshield, or if you have a windshield, this gives you that additional shade from the elements. But what you have to imagine is if the windshield is not here, look at where the water's gonna stop, at the dash, not inside your lap, okay? Those plastic tops you guys get from the dealerships, the factory ones, it rains, it's in your lap. Day's ruined, okay? Our top stops that. You got the premium racks, Elusive Wildlife, another good company. As far as the lights go, these are green whites, all the way around, dual mode. Another company based in Texas. If you haven't found a common theme in what we like to work with, we love American companies, but if they're Texas-based, it's just another icing on the cake, right? So this has the wet sound bar in the back, all controlled by the AM/FM satellite head unit overhead. You got your cockpit overhead that controls everything. And something new that we just started offering is really cool is this Fortress Airbar here. So on hot days, it's gonna blow down your back and really cool you. So if you sweat like I do, and you walk outside in the summer, you just are drenched immediately, this is gonna help save your life. Standard offering for our tops now in terms of an option. We did a simple setup. We know you may not always want to carry your rifles with you, but the Seismic center seat rifle mount here is a soft pack, holds rifles, shotguns, AKs, whatever. We've tested it, holds it. So cool product there. Coming to the back, our most popular item by far, not because it's the cheapest, but because it's the most necessary, is our rear beverage holder. It allows you to carry your favorite beverage on those hot days for the backseat passengers. We're gonna come to the back here, guys. We do a lot of high seats. This one does not have one because it's a work unit. Now the beds on Kawasaki's, as you know, these seats and everything folds forward, but we wanted to make it to where this is a full-time 6-passenger vehicle with a full-size bed. So with the Ranch Armor bed extension right here, this allows you to have a larger than any other UTV on the market bed. With your Kawasaki, you still have that benefit of that short wheelbase, climbing, whatnot. We did the bumper on it because if you want to take the bed extension off, you want to make sure your ass end is protected, which is why we did the bumper steel with the flush mounts and the hitch support. The hitch support allows you to tow from our hitch on the rear without having to have a hitch down below. Easier towing, easier maneuvering, ready to go, guys. So this is Project Strata. As of this video, it is for sale. We're going to list it here. And this was just another really cool build we did. Kawasaki came out with this new camo, and it's called Strata Camo. So we decided to name it Project Strata. Just sounded like a cool name. So let us know what you guys need for your Mule, Can-Am, Polaris, all makes and models. Let us know, we're here for you. We look forward to talking with you guys soon. Guys, if you like watching videos of me show off cool vehicles, my pal Remington here, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.